Hey, good morning, boys and girls. It's me again, Professor Cristian Munoz. Okay, I hope everything is fine in your house and you're very healthy. Okay, so today, what are we going to do? Today, I'm going to show you how we can work in our comic strip template, but in Word. Remember that it's in PDF, but we need to transform it into Word so you can type in it. Okay, so I want you guys to pay attention and follow what I'm doing, and please take notes. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Here it is, guys. Let me make my head smaller. Okay, I put it here in the corner. And here, guys, voila. Here is the template that we're going to work on for our comic strip. Remember that this is the outline. And what is the next step? Our last version that is going to be done in Book Creator. Now, as you can see here, it's moving, right? It's in Word. Send this template through the chat in Teams. Okay, so what's the idea? For you guys to write here in the bubbles and create your comic. Remember that this is the outline and it has a grade. Okay, so I'm going to show you the following. I'm going to minimize it. Okay, now in your search bar in your computer, you're going to write down paint. Okay, and here it is, right? Voila. So from here, we need to transport our template right here into this into paint so we can type in it. So what am I going to do next? Okay, let me minimize it. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, now I open up my template again. I selected kids, as you can see there, it's selected. Look, I go for control in my keypad. I go for control C. I copy it. I go back to paint, right? And move my head here a little bit. And I click where it says paste. And there it is, guys. Okay, here it is. Now, here comes the interesting part. Here you guys are going to now focus in your comic strip outline. But teacher, but how can I write in these bubbles? Very simple. You select here where's the this part, as you can see here is a little A text. You select it here and then you start writing. And say second, let's go for the first bubble. Okay, select there. So I have my first character saying, let's say, good morning. Okay, how are you? Question mark. Okay, so that's my first character. All right, second character, we can go here. Um, I am fine, and you. And then I start with my dialogue for my comic. Remember that there's a checklist that you must use it. The checklist you will find in Control Academic. I'll tell you later on how where it is. Okay. Now I need to make my characters, guys. So it's gotta be very simple. All right. So for the characters, we're gonna work on. Okay. Let me see here. You home here. So you can create little sticks with little sticks your characters. So here I have one. I'll just make a little line here for my character. Then I'll look for the head. Here's a little circle. Okay, right? Make it simple, guys. What am I going to evaluate? Like the dialogue. Okay. And then here I can make a little thing right here, like the little arm. Then I can make a little another arm here. Okay, perfect. The little leg, and so on. Okay, well, I need to choose it again here. So I can come out and wait, give me a minute, guys. You just you have to play with it, okay? There it is. There's my first character. All right. So I want to make like a little happy face. Okay. So you go there and there. My first character. Da, da, da. But remember that it's a dialogue between people. Remember that you're going to be writing a fable. Okay. So I want if it's a fable, there are some characteristics that I want to see this in this comic, right? First, animals with human characteristics, and there has to be a moral. Okay, teacher, but I think it's too short. There's only 4 panels. You can use 8 if you want. Okay, and remember, when you're done with this, sorry, you save it, file. All right, save it as. Okay, you save it in your desktop. Let's call it outline comic 1. Okay, you save it. Let's see if it's there. Okay, it's coming. All right. Let's see. And there it is, guys. Look, it's got the dialogue. All right. I saved it in my desktop. Okay. Now, where can you find this? I'm going to show you. You go to Control Academic. All right. Okay. You will find it. Remember that's in your Aula Virtual. And I will select the group. Let's call it 4E search. Okay. And the comic, the template, you will find it under the following date. Let me show you guys. Okay. It's not that complicated. You know how to use this, kids. Okay. All right. Okay. This is the checklist. This is what I want you guys to use when you write your outline. Okay. You download it. Here it will come out. And this is what I want you guys to use. It's got 15 criteria. This is what I want to see in your outline. Remember, it's got a grade. So I want you guys to work parallel with your outline and with the checklist. Okay, but teacher, where's the outline? Where's the template? I'll show you. Okay, it's under, I think it's under the following date. I think it's right here, 28 and 29. Okay, as you can hear here, we have the warm up. In the modeling, there's a video. Okay, I recommend it for you guys to watch it. It's very interesting, and it will show you how to write your comic strip step by step. In the practice, now where it says now it's your turn to outline your comic, again you download it, okay, if you want to, and that's it. Or, like I said before, I will send it to you through Teams. Okay, I hope you find it very useful. All right, kids, and see you in class. Thank you very much. Be healthy. I love you, Professor Christian. Bye bye.